These 5 AI tools are making people thousands of dollars while they sleep. And the best part? You don't need any skills to start. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or passive income, these tools are free or low-cost, beginner-friendly, and can start earning in days, not months. Let's dive in. First up is usechatgpt.ai. This platform helps you generate content using ChatGPT with a simplified interface. Blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, all in seconds. People are reselling this content on Fiverr for $50 to $200 per gig. No writing experience needed. Just copy, paste, deliver. Number 2, Opus Clip. Upload a YouTube video or Zoom call, and it automatically cuts viral-worthy shorts with captions and highlights. People are charging $30 to $100 per clip service on freelancing platforms. Start by offering to edit for content creators, podcasters, or coaches. At number 3, Tome AI builds stunning presentations and pitch decks with just a few prompts. You can design business proposals, client portfolios, or digital downloads. Sell them on Etsy or offer them as a service to startups and consultants. Easy, fast, and in demand. Tool number 4, Mixo.io. This AI builds entire landing pages in under a minute. Use it to launch a micro business, affiliate page, or service funnel. Or create pages for clients and charge $200 plus per build. Minimal design experience required. And number 5, 11 Labs or PlayHT. These tools turn your scripts into natural-sounding voiceovers in seconds. Voiceover gigs on Upwork and Fiverr can bring in $50 to $300 per project. Use AI to voice e-learning, YouTube videos, or ads, all from home. These tools are powerful, fast, and available to anyone. Start with just one, and you could be making money in days. All links are in the description. Subscribe for more AI money tools every week, and let me know in the comments which one you're trying first.